Welcome back, everyone. It is so good to see you all here. I hope you're all doing fantastic and are ready to dive back in. As the summer 2026 travel season surges, vacation rental platforms are fighting hard for bookings. Airbnb and VRBO dominate short-term rentals, but their homepages reveal contrasting strategies for turning browsers into bookers. This conversion contrast installment uses a carrot and stick approach. What drives conversions well, where they miss, and how both tackle combined bookings, stays air travel elements during high-intent planning. Airbnb's Belong Anywhere vibe emphasizes unique, experiential stays. VRBO's Entire Place, Just for You targets families seeking privacy. Both now lean into fuller trip planning, but their approaches to combined air travel and stay bookings differ sharply, impacting conversion during summer peaks. Understand this. 1. Airbnb strengths. Location-aware hero imagery and search, location, dates, guests, spark immediate inspiration with available this weekend prompts and guest favorites. Summer 2026 updates add airport pickups, flight-tracked private transfers with 20% off, car rentals, and grocery delivery, pushing toward one-stop trip planning. This emotional practical combo excels for inspiration-riven travelers. Visual storytelling and emerging combined services reduce app witching friction for flights to stay flows. 2. VRBO strengths and misses. Clear Entire Place, Just for You headline with transparent pricing and all fees included. Pre-filled searches highlight real listings with ratings and group-friendly details. As part of Expedia Group, VRBO connects strongly to flights and packages via One Key loyalty earning/redeeming rewards across stays, flights, and more for seamless bundled travel. Transparency and loyalty integration win for serious family planners. Yet the design can feel more transactional, with less immersive magic than Airbnb's updated services. 3. Verdict on heroes. Airbnb wins on delight and emerging combined travel hooks, airport transfers tied to stays. VRBO wins on pricing clarity and Expedia-powered flight bundling. Now let's explore more deeper. 1. Search and UX flow combined bookings. Both feature strong search bars, but Airbnb's visual filters and new shared itineraries with travel maps support easier multi-leg planning. Its airport pickups and car rentals directly address post-flight logistics, reducing friction in combined airstay bookings. VRBO leverages Expedia integration for potential flight rental bundles and One Key rewards, appealing to high-intent users who want points across travel components. This transparency can boost commitment for families coordinating flights and whole home stays. 2. Social proof and trust signals. Airbnb, guest favorites, aircover, AI review highlights, and new services like flight tracked pickups build excitement and security for full trip planning. VRBO, premier host badges, high ratings, and Expedia-backed loyalty create pricing and reliability trust key when bundling high-cost airfare with rentals. 3. CTAS, urgency and scarcity. Airbnb uses seasonal availability and service credits, car rental promos. VRBO shows concrete pricing with loyalty incentives. Both could heighten urgency around summer dates, but combined booking signals, transfers, bundles help close deals faster. 4. Potential pitfalls. Airbnb risks choice overload with expanding services. VRBO may feel less dynamic for experiential travelers seeking seamless flight-to-stay flows beyond Expedia ties. Airbnb edges on volume and inspiration, especially with summer services that make combined air travel stays feel effortless and delightful, ideal for broader audiences and impulse to planned trips. VRBO excels for qualified, high-value family conversions through pricing transparency and Expedia/One Key integration, which simplifies bundling flights and rewards for committed bookers. Hosts win by listing on both. For platforms, it depends on traveler type. Emotional explorers, Airbnb versus Practical planners, VRBO. 1. Match tone to audience. Inspirational visuals, Airbnb or clear benefits/transparency, VRBO. 2. Prioritize transparency and bundling. Show fees and combined options, airport transfers, flight rewards, above the fold to cut abandonment in multi-part trips. 3. Leverage seasonal relevance. Geo-personalize with this weekend and summer travel hooks. 4. Enhance social proof. Use ratings, badges, and AI summaries. Highlight full trip trust signals. 5. Mobile-first combined flows. Optimize for on-the-go search and itinerary building. 6. A/B test heroes and services. Emotional imagery versus practical bundles. Track search starts and completions. 7. Reduce friction in bundles. One clear CTA per section. Add value like credits or rewards for airstay combos. Summer demand is here. Audit your pages now. Tweaks inspired by these leaders can lift conversions significantly, especially for travelers seeking seamless combined bookings. Ready to create landing pages for your brand that convert like the best in the business? Catapult Marketing specializes in data-driven teardowns, UX optimization, and high-converting designs for travel and e-commerce brands. Talk to us to learn more about our services and how we can strengthen your brand awareness and reach. Get in touch with us today. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your loved one.